Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I just got my Seaside Aquatics fish trap slash acclimation box, I guess you can call it, and that's what I got. I bought it off eBay because that was the cheapest that I found compared to Amazon and everywhere else. eBay had the cheapest price by about $10, and you know, 50-60 bucks at $10 savings is a pretty good deal to me. So I saved the 10 bucks and I bought it like that. Hopefully it's not broken. It says it's in new shape and everything like that. So let's get this thing open and see what we got involved with this Seaside Aquatics fish trap that I got. All right, guys, let's check it out now. So it opens up like this, pretty simple, just like that. They give you a little sticker, a Seaside Aquatics sticker they give you right here. Kind of cool. I guess these are the instructions on how to put this together. I'll put them close up to the thing so you guys can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like close up. Those are the instructions if you ever lost yours or you want to see them again. So that's about what we got right there. So that's kind of what it looks like right there with the instructions right there. And then the rest of it comes in a sealed bag. So the rest of it comes in this sealed bag. It has, it's more like a Ziploc bag because it's a press seal. And I guess that's to make sure you get all your parts in there. So we're going to take this out. Here we go. These look like the end clips that are going to be clipping on the end of the fish tank that are going to be holding it. At least that's what it looks like to me. So we got that. Put that bag aside. Let's open up this and see what we got. So these are all the panels that it does come with. As you can see, these are the locking ports where I guess you're going to put each piece together and you're going to lock it all together. It has a cover on it that you do have to peel off probably before you actually install it. This is just a safety cover, what they use, you know, obviously when they're cutting it. So you're just going to peel that off really easily like that. It was only on one, oh no, it's on both sides. Here we go, because there's an R on this side. So there is another one that comes off right here. So it's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get off. I mean, whatever. Like that. Okay. So like that. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to get off. I want to keep this sticker. Oh, I can't reuse it. Okay, you can, once you peel this off, you cannot reuse this sticker. I thought maybe you can, but you can't. So you can't reuse this R and put it back on here, so I have to know that that's R. So I'm not going to take the rest of the labels off until I actually see what this thing looks like. But here's like one of the doors right here. It feels good enough for a fish, you know what I mean? There it is right there. That's what it looks like when I'm putting some pressure and it's bending a little bit. And that's kind of what it looks like. And that's it. And then it's got a bunch of the sides and everything like that in here. Let's pull them all out at the same time. Here's another one. This is L. I'm not going to peel. I could peel this side off, but I can't peel the other side off yet. So that's kind of what it looks like. And here's the rest of them. I'm going to put this together on video for you. I'm going to stop the video really quick, but I'm going to put this together for you so you can see how long it takes for a new person to put it together from scratch. These look like, these are what, you can adjust the height of the box. This is what this looks like over here, the height adjusters. So we got that, then we got some more stuff in here. This must be the door, it looks like. So they wrap the door separately. So this is the door right here that swings down and closes the hatch or whatever happens. So that's kind of what goes on. So that's what that looks like right there. The door is thicker than all the other pieces. See how thick the door is compared to this piece? It is a lot thicker. So this is where the drop door goes or whatever. Okay, that's what that looks like. And we got some other stuff in the bag. Oh, and this is the feeding tube. So in the bag right here, we have the feeding tube. And this is what the feeding tube looks like, just like this. Put that in there, and you put your pellets in there, and you're going to feed everybody and get them to trick them into coming into your little box that you have here, and you're going to take your fish that you do not want in your fish tank out of your aquarium. So that's kind of what the plan is. So that's kind of it right there. That's everything that you kind of get. That was pretty quick, simple, take it out of the box review. And that's about it. I'm going to start putting this thing together. I'm going to do another I'm going to just continue the video. Let me just stop it because I got to take care of something, and then I'll put it back on and we'll go from there. All right? All right, so let's get the rest of this back together. We're going to build the rest of this fish trap that we got. All right? So let's do it. So this is the top panel right here. So we got to peel this off. Okay, top panel, left panel. Let's peel this off. Alright, so that's the door right there, as you can see. That's how it flips around or whatever. I don't know how it works yet, obviously. I didn't put it together, but this is kind of the gist of it. That's where the hole is right there, where the food goes in. This is the food stopper that helps wrap around the food tube. So you put this like this, roll this up a little bit, and then you can put the food in that different height, and it'll stay at that height. And you just close it up, and then you can feed the fish and make sure that they go inside this trap, and then you can trap them in there. All right? I didn't attach these yet. These are the back hooks that go on like this, because I don't know the height that I need inside my aquarium, so you're going to have to figure that out as well. All they do is go in here like this. This you take out. This goes in here like this, and you just put it to the size that you need. And then you can put the rubber band on it, and you're good. So it's very simple in order to do it. So it took me 2 seconds to figure that out. So that's kind of how that goes. I guess we're going to have a ledge on my... I'm going to show you what mine looks like on the 40 breeder in a second. But I have a ledge on mine. Let's turn this around real quick and see if it fits. See, this is my ledge. And I'm going to have the ledge on probably this side. So it's going to fit perfect. Oh, sorry. It's going to fit perfect. See? Right there, just like that. So it's going to fit perfect on this ledge. It should work. Let's see what it's going to look like. And we'll see if it works for my 40-gallon breeder. Okay. So there we go. So we'll make sure it works on the 40-gallon breeder. It looks pretty simple. All you do is use this. Oh, you take these out if you're not using the suction cup. I'm not using suction cup, so I'm taking these out. You take these out if you're not going to use the suction cup, I guess. So it pops out really easily, just like that. And all you do is put this like this, and it screws right through. So it just tightens up. I'm sorry if you don't see it on the video, but it just tightens up just like that. I did it on that one real quick. Look, it goes just like this. You put it on, match up the holes. You match up these two holes right here. I put on the small one that was with it. I put on that first, and you just screw it in. It's really simple. Yep, that's it. Very simple. So the only thing is that it kind of goes just like that, and then it's going to hook right on. It's going to be really simple. So there's no problem. And that's it. That's all we're doing right now for the video. And we'll see it hooked onto the fish tank and what it looks like. I'll do that in another video. This is just a review of the box unopening and me building it. So you guys see, that took me 2 seconds to build. I put the traps on everything. Here's how the door goes. And everything's very simple, like I said, how it's going to work and how this is going to be attached, so you guys can get an idea. And then you're going to see it on my fish tank, and we're going to see it in action and see if it actually works. All right? Thank you, everybody, for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. You have a great day. Be safe. Enjoy. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm always trying to put on reviews of everything I buy and give you guys any kind of help that I have gotten through the community as well, so it's kind of cool. So any help this gave you, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions about it, please post them in the comments below as well. I'll try to get them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Bye-bye.